And DD India's Subina Roy joins us from Dibrugarh, Assam. Subina's heavy rain is lashing the northeastern states. Red alert has been issued for parts of Assam and Meghalaya. Tell us about the administration's response to the rising water levels and the continued rainfall.
Right, Tanvi, as you can see, the water behind me is gushing with full force. You can see the Brahmaputra out here. The water levels have reached above danger level at many points. At Brahmaputra here in Dibrugarh, the water level is under control as of the recent flood bulletin report. As of your question on rescue operations, Tanvi, all the different organizations, different agencies of the government, be it the state government or the district authorities, the Indian Air Force, the Indian Army, Assam Rifles, are all working hand in hand in evacuating people from the low-lying areas. For example, yesterday in Tinsukia district, the Indian Air Force and the district administration carried out an evacuation process, where 15 people stranded at the Bamji River in Arunachal were rescued, were airlifted through helicopter, and they were brought back to Tinsukia because these people belong from the Tinsukia district. And this incident occurred at the Assam-Arunachal border. Apart from that, around 500 people have been rescued through boats. Tanvi, the NDRF and SDRF are doing it 24/7 into duty to rescue these people from inundated areas. If we talk about the medical teams, 20 medical teams have been deployed across the Assam state, where emergency health facilities are being provided. Now, there are many river islands, Tanvi, which are surrounded by water. So if there is any patient or anyone who needs help, these people are brought back to the mainland areas, and they are provided medical facilities. They are also provided food items, and in case of inundation, they are brought back to the other side of the river, Tanvi. So it's a 24/7 operation. Yesterday we could see it. And even today in Manipur, Assam Rifles and the Indian Army has been carrying out evacuation in the Manipur Imphal district as well. So these are the operations which are being carried out. Yesterday, the Union Home Minister had called all the chief ministers of Assam and has assured full assistance from the center. And today the CM of Assam is also visiting the Lakhimpur, where majorly the effect has been seen, where there is embankment breach and it is being repaired, and the CM has gone out to see there how the rescue operations are being carried out, how the relief camps are working. So this is a 24/7 approach where each and every agency is working on a war-footing basis, Tanvi.
Okay, thank you very much, Subina Roy, for all those updates covering the weather of the entire Northeast for us.